To use a Collab, you need to first, I think it makes it easiest to run all. It'll hit all our little play buttons first by running the library, and then you'll know that's good when you get the prompt. First, we're going to do articles. This just provides a header for the name and hit enter. Then we're going to go to our data for articles, and we're going to copy that data and we're going to paste it and hit enter. Then we're going to write ads, hit enter, and we're going to grab our ad data. And we're going to paste it, hit enter. And when you're finally done, you can actually add other ones if you want, but if those are all you want to add, just hit enter again, and that'll get you out of that window. And we know that that is run. The timer is up there. So we scroll down. The next thing we do is allows us to visualize our scatter plots. It should already have run, but I tend to run it again. And we see that we have some scatter plots in here. And it's a little tricky that there's 3, but I promise, we'll get our announcement. But sometimes this is easier to see if you want to go full screen with this ads. See, and then combines down here. So anyway, but all 3 of them are there. It's just a little tricky to see the third. So then we go to cluster, and under cluster, it should have already run, but we run it again, and it allows us to explore the clusters in the next one. And we can see here, it doesn't look like anything's different, but when you start to zoom in, it has tied these together with lines very similar to what you saw in our animation yesterday. I will admit, though, it's a little underwhelming. But the clustering is more for this last part because it will cluster them to use for our histograms, which again should have already run. And if we go down here, we can see that we have our articles histogram, our ads histogram, and our combined histogram. And because it clusters them, that's how it enables them to go into the set bins. So it is determining on the back end how many bins you should have by creating those clusters.